Number 14 of 15 in the epic editions of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series this year is the 2018 new look of Avenger from the World Finals 17 of last year, the 20th anniversary edition of Avenger, and this truck looks very nice for a diecast. It comes with the recrushable car. There we have Avenger Epic Editions, Doomsday, Nightglow Cage, Inferno, Flashback, Soldier Fortune, Black Ops in the Mud, El Toro Loco, Creatures, Mohawk Warrior, Tour Favorites, Max D, and Tour Favorites. So let's go ahead and unbox the 20th anniversary of Avenger. Comes with this yellow recrushable car. I think it goes well with this Avenger. This is like a metallic green color and it looks spectacular in the light. A lot of shininess to the body because of how it's done. There's the Monster Jam logo in the back. Now you can see all the flames, the skull with the where the eyeball socket should be red, and look at that Avenger, the name and the colors that they use of it. There's the Hot Wheels logo, as you can see right there, coming around to the front, and here we have the Avenger skull with some flames coming out from his mouth with sunglasses, and I think that should be the skull should be a little bit larger on the hood. On the opposite side is the same. Look at that, the Hot Wheels logo is almost up on top of the hood right there. That's a little bit weird. Maybe a little bit of a mistake there. There's Avenger. Same thing on the opposite side. And on the back, then one of the things is there's supposed to be sponsors on the tailgate of the truck. So that's one thing that is missing from this truck. Up top though, this is what it's all about. Avenger, if we can come in closer. It says Avenger 20 years, and 1997 to 2017. Very cool. And I like the wheels that they picked out for this truck. The gray wheels goes very well with the colors of the truck and everything. I don't think the silver or black wheels would look as good. I thought that I would point out something a little further on my truck, as I already pointed out that the Hot Wheels logo was up too high on the truck. As you can tell, on this side of the truck, right hand side, everything is where it should be. The Avenger name and the Hot Wheels logo. But look at this on the other side. Everything is up much higher, which in turn would make that Hot Wheels logo go up even more higher onto the hood of the truck. So it's a little bit different. This one, now in the package I couldn't tell the difference obviously, but I just wanted to mention this and point this out in my video. So that does it for the review of the Avenger for the 20th anniversary edition of the truck. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this review.